Can you explain what it is?
We are going to make a Christmas decoration together from wood, and everybody's woodworking here now, using using every equipment here, so we can cut down our fingers.
When you go, then watch for your fingers, so they must be.
That's scary.
That's scary.
We have these. These are gloves for chainsaw, so it tries to protect you
A little bit.
but I don't want to try out if it works. You turn it on when the blade doesn't touch the wood, so like here, and so it's better if you plug it in.
Yeah. It's a basic requirement.
And then
Yeah.
look really smooth and good looking.
And everybody has drawn its own Christmas tree,
Yep.
and you will see at the end how it looks like, or how they look like. And everybody has a totally different style of Christmas tree. So for example, this is Rico's one, that's Yuli's one. Mine is the amorph, so the asymmetrical one, and others is the angel, kind of real Christian type of Christmas tree.
Sometimes you need to go back. So if you cut in here, then
Go
you
back
can't
out.
rotate and go. So you have to pull out the wood. Do it really slowly and easily, because if you pull the blade with the wood, then it will go down from these things inside.